Cough against TB. Operating procedure for the data collectors. Before beginning the data collection, ensure that you have the following items with you. Face mask, preferably N95 or surgical mask. Hand sanitizer to disinfect hands. Disinfectant wipes or gauze piece with sanitizer to disinfect phone post data collection. Android mobile phone or tablet with adequate charging and pre-installed Cough TB application Fieldy. The app needs to be downloaded from the link provided by Central TB Division. Upon visiting the participant's house, introduce yourself by stating your name along with your designation and inform them that you come from NTEP. Inquire if the person who is attending you at the door is the participant that you are looking for as per the Nikshay records. Request your participant to wear an appropriate triple-layer disposable mask. Inform that you are there as a part of national activity to design a potential new tool to screen people for pulmonary TB, and you will collect their cough and sound patterns. Also mention that the study will be confidential and no report will be shared with the participant post the data collection. If the participant is comfortable, kindly seek their consent and proceed with the further steps by informing them that it will take 15 minutes of their time. In the Fieldy app, start filling out the details of the participant. Fill in all the details such as weight, height, patient symptoms, and duration of each symptom. Habits such as tobacco use, including smoking and alcohol intake. If the response is no, enter the duration as 0 or select NA. Do not leave it blank. You will then have to ask the participant to guide you to an open or a well-ventilated space where you can record his or her cough and sound patterns. Keep your smartphone or tablet at a distance of approximately 3 feet from the participant, preferably at the same height but away from the face. For the first recording, the participant needs to be asked to call out numbers from 1 to 10 in any one language of their choice. Ensure that while reciting the numbers, multiple languages are not used and is captured in one single recording.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
For the next 3 recordings, the participant needs to be asked to cough thrice, which should be recorded separately from each other. Ask the participant to cough away from the recording device. If the device is on the left, the direction of the face or cough should be towards the right, with their mask on at all times. Solicited cough sounds are to be captured if the subject does not get spontaneous cough. For all other 3 recordings, the participant needs to be asked to call out on sounds sequentially as A, E, O. Ensure that these are prolonged sounds, approximately lasting 5 seconds and need to be captured individually.
A, E, O.
For the last recording, which pertains to background noise in the surroundings, just tap the record button for a minimum of 10 seconds to capture the background sounds. All the above sounds can be heard and re-recorded if needed. Once all the recordings are collected, click on Submit to complete the process. Please note that you will not be able to view, hear, or edit the form after successful submission. Data for your participant has now been recorded and saved successfully. Thank your participant for his cooperation and time. Do not forget to follow universal safety precautions like appropriate disposal of biomedical waste, Physical distancing at all times. Frequent hand disinfection. Disinfection of your smartphone or tablet post the data collection.